Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to attach a virtual hard disk in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Attaching a virtual hard disk, VHD, in Windows 10 is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Press Windows key +X and select Disk Management. Click Action in the menu bar. Select Attach VHD. Browse to the location of your .vhd or .vhdx file. Click OK. Initialize and format, if needed. If the disk is new, right-click it and select Initialize Disk. Choose GPT or MBR as the partition style. Right-click the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard to assign a drive letter and format the disk. Once attached, the VHD will appear in File Explorer like a regular drive. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.